In this video, we're going to be looking at splitting our window. So what this means, it allows us to look at two different points in the document at the same time. So if we go to our View tab, and over here, we see Split, see two sections of your document at the same time. This makes it easier to look at one section while editing another. If we click on that, there we go, we got two parts to our document. So we can scroll through, and if we are working on two different parts, for example, if paragraph 7 and 3 were to go hand in hand, we can work on them at the same time. So for this sake, the paragraph 7 and paragraph 2, the wording is exactly the same. So if we change one area, we can go and change the exact same area on the top part. To remove it, all we do is go back to Remove Split, and it takes us to wherever we were in the bottom screen. So that there is how you split your window in Microsoft Word.